Hi guys, I hope you're all well. So today I am cleaning and organising my bedroom because it definitely needed it. So we ended up staying up quite late last night just chatting, and time got carried away with us, and then it was about 1 o'clock before we got to bed, which is very late for us. So everything just gets chucked on the floor and chucked on the side, and that happens when you just want to get into bed. So we've had a lovely lazy slow Sunday morning, had breakfast, and then I thought I'd best tackle this bedroom because I know it'll make me feel good once it's done. So the first thing I'm going to do is make the bed. So I actually quite enjoy making the bed when I have time to do it. I do not spend this much time on it on a daily basis, but when I do have time I do quite enjoy making it. So it makes me feel ready for the day and instantly makes the room look tidier, I feel. I also love getting into a neatly made bed at night. There's actually a book called Make Your Bed, which I haven't read, but apparently a part of the book explains how it helps set you up for the day by completing the first task, and I definitely agree with that. So I'm just going to plump the pillows because it definitely makes a difference to how full they look when they're on the bed. I would like to get some more cushions for the bed, but I'm not sure yet exactly what I want, and eventually I would like to change the bed and the headboard, but for now this is absolutely fine. So until I've kind of decided on colours and sort of what I want it to look like, I'm just going to leave it as it is for now because I don't want to buy things now and then change them again a bit further down the line. So it's very nearly November and I'm very excited for Christmas. I've seen some gorgeous Christmas bedding on the John Lewis website and a really nice Christmas cushion in Next, so I might purchase those very soon. So I'm just going to finish making the bed. I just put this large throw across the bed to keep the bedding clean, especially with having a puppy who jumps up there in the day. It was actually a beautiful Sunday morning when I filmed this, so I'm just going to open the blinds to let the sunlight in, but then I needed to adjust the camera settings because it went super bright. But once you let the sunlight in, there's no hiding from the dust and the marks on the mirrors. It certainly shows where needs cleaning the most. So I'm just putting a few things away on my bedside table. There's just some random things on there to go in the drawer, like my tanning mitt, lip balm, a water bottle I'll take downstairs with me for the day. So now I'm just going to get all the clothes and things off the floor. Oodies always seem to end up on the floor. I really need to get some hooks to hang on the back of the door or one of the shelves with hooks to put on the wall. That's also Ralph's little fleece that he sleeps in to keep him warm that I'll just put on the bed. Then I found some flip-flops randomly when I was clearing out the cupboard near the front door. I was organising the shoe rack and there were some flip-flops on there, so I thought I'll pop those away because we definitely won't be needing those for a while. I really need to get some organisation for the wardrobes as well. Thinking of getting some shoe storage for the top because I don't feel like the space at the very top is being utilised and the shoes are all piled on top of each other now, so I'll be sorting that soon because it is bothering me lately. So most of the clothes on the floor on my bed tops and pyjamas and things. So anyone else saw the pyjamas under the pillow? It's just somewhere I've always put them and think, well, they can live there till I put them on later. Once all the clothes are folded and put away, I then really needed to sort out all the stuff on the drawers. So there's some really random things on here that shouldn't be. The Halloween fort Ralph took a liking to, so until I've decided where I want to put it, where Ralph can't get to it, it's just been sat here. So just going to put everything back where it should live, move everything off the side, and then dust and clean the glass on the top because it really needed it. So I'm going to start by dusting it with the fluffy duster, and then today I'm using the spray wipe Hinch in frosted eucalyptus. It smells so nice and fresh.
All I want, me and you.
it's all lovely and clean, I'm going to put everything back and dust the bits I'm putting back as well. I love trays for lots of things. I think it makes the space look tidier and look like they belong somewhere. So this is like a champagne coloured one I got from Next with a mirrored bottom, and I love it to store like all my perfumes on. I also like to dust the perfumes before I put them back because I like them to look shiny and dust free, which literally only lasts a couple of days before they get dusty again, but I'll enjoy it for the short while. I also bought this new tray from HomeSense the other day because I thought it would be good to chuck the keys on and spare coins and things like that to stop anything potentially scratching the glass on top of the drawers. But you know, the stickers are so annoying to get off from HomeSense. It's very hit and miss. You either get ones that are really easy to peel off or some of them are just a nightmare. So I'm just going to carry on dusting mainly the bedside tables that need it most. These bedside tables I had in my bedroom at home, and then I brought them with me when we moved into the house. They're really easy to keep clean. They just do show the dust because they're like a white gloss. So again, eventually we would like to change them, but they're absolutely fine for now. So I've just removed everything off the side to give it a good clean, and then again just dust everything before I put them back on the side. I did get carried away here singing I Drink Wine by Adele. It looks really random when you can't put the music to it.
It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
We had a bit of Let Me Entertain You by Robbie Williams on here as well, which I was loving. It'd be such a good cleaning vibe if you could add these songs whilst you were cleaning onto the YouTube video. But yeah, I'm just cleaning the marks off the doors because randomly you just get odd random marks that appear, and then just wiping them down a little bit as well.
Lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away, but now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening?
And then lastly, all I need to do is clean the windowsills. These are getting a bit dusty, a few cobwebs. So again, I'm just using the spray wipe hinged, and then I'm just going to give those a good wipe and then dry them off so there's no smear marks with the kitchen towel. I always feel like it's easy to miss these, especially because I don't lift these blinds up. They do stay down like all of the time. So I'm just wiping around the window frame as well whilst I'm doing it. And then I just need to do the other ones. We've got 2 windows in our bedroom. So I'll just crack on with that and get those nice and clean.
I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just
And that is it for this video. So I really hope you enjoyed this clean and organise my bedroom with me. If you did, give it a big like, and I will see you all on Monday at 7 for another video. I hope you all have a lovely week. Thanks for watching. See you soon.